Good morning, good morning, good morning. Unless you're watching this in the afternoon or the evening, but for me it is Saturday morning and it is 10:56, which my goal was to be up and videotaping and catching up on videos after a crazy week by 11. So I made it. Woo! Let's celebrate. Celebrate. Okay. Anyway, might look like I have my cup of coffee, but my real cup is right here because I want to share with you OMG Secret Santa craziness. My Secret Santa, I signed up Marissa, which has lovingly named herself the Crafty Heifer. Did a Secret Santa that was diamond painting or anything else, and it was a $30 limit, and I just had a blast picking out things for my Secret Santa, but also just receiving items from somebody who was, my little elf, right? My Santa. And they did amazing. They picked out an amazing variety of items, which is somewhat like what I did for the person I was Santa for. I wanted a little bit of fun, a little bit of personality, and my Secret Santa did amazing. So you've seen a couple of these, but this is the celebration. This is everything I got. So first off, the story, if you're new to the channel, I don't collect turtles, but in the area of diamond painting, turtles have a giggle moment for me because they, oh, I'm supposed to be talking into my microphone and I am not. So in editing, I will turn up the volume. So sorry. Again, I had one sip of coffee. So let's see how this goes. Okay. So, just to reiterate, I have collection of a couple things in the diamond painting world that are turtle related. Why? Because my first ever live, I had a troll. A troll is somebody who comes in and bothers your group, and that troll said, "Can turtles be diabetic?" And I didn't know what a troll was, and so we ended up talking with him for about 15 minutes and won him over. And so now we talk about diabetic turtles as being trolls, and it's just something fun. It's like an inside joke for my channel. So when I saw this, I put it on Elfster, and my Santa bought it, okay? So this is a coffee mug. Oh, there we go. A coffee mug with turtles, guys. Look at that. Let me try to get it into the light. Ooh. Okay, so just so you guys are aware, I have you streaming on my TV, but my TV has decided to stream you sideways. So not only am I trying to do left to right, top to bottom, I'm also having to deal with this sideways issue. So bear with me. This is, we're going to pretend like we're live. I'm not going to edit anything out. I'm going to reach over and we're going to try to make you come in just a little bit more like that. So when I show you items like this, oops, I don't have to go up as far. Also, I have a brand new phone, and I'm still figuring out how... Are you laughing with me? You're like, I need to give a thumbs down to this woman. Okay, so there you go. There's the Turtle Tree coffee mug. Can't wait to use it. Absolutely in love with it. It looks like I have used it and need to wash it. The next thing they got... was this amazing turtle tray, diamond painting drill tray. So you can shake, rattle, and roll. I love it. I've been using it. It's amazing. And then the last thing, we're going to kind of do an unboxing, is the reason it's partially open is because I told, I did not buy any diamond paintings from AliExpress for quite some time, and this is saying it's from China. I was like, what in the world? So I opened it just to see what it was and realized it was something from my Secret Santa. Now, they had little baggies just stuffed in here, so I wonder if they just forgot to put little baggies. And the guy was like, oh crap, my checklist. Okay, so this is one I have wanted for a long time, but because of all the new companies that are coming out and wanting to do a review for you guys, I've put this image on the back burner. And I thought, why not just put it on my Secret Santa and see if, you know, Santa provides. So, I'm not really going to do a review on it. This is Zuya. I haven't done Zuya for a while. They've updated. They have this like plastic sheet of happy and unhappy and how to do it. They already apologize if they're unhappy, and they say thank you very much if you are happy. That's really funny. It did have the clear ties on it. I'm just saying a couple of these things so you can see how Zuya does their items. Okay, I'm going to turn it around so you guys can see a little bit better. And I did a chalkboard image similar to this, and I thought this would be an amazing companion piece. Many people know that I am a Christian. I don't really say it, you know, on my channel, but I have a scripture that I did a chalkboard painting a while ago that is, "Be still and know I am God," and I have it framed. And then this one is another scripture that I was super excited about. And we'll see how it works. And it's square. Doo-doo-doo. Sorry guys. I'm going to insert a picture right here while I'm struggling of what this is. But it's a tree with a lantern hanging down from it with little fireflies. I'm having to touch the canvas. That's pretty bad. It's double-sided tape. Okay, so I'm going to lay it back down. I'm going to come up the other way. And my Secret Santa, you spoiled me. You did a great job of figuring out sales and putting things together. So yeah, I'm going to insert a picture again so I can talk about it, but it's a 50 by 40. It has, doesn't say, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34 colors. It is, like I said, square, and I have this memorized, but my brain's not working this morning, so I'm trying to see. Oh, let your light shine is what it says. And be still and know I am God worked out really well in a 40 by 60. I have a frame for this already, so I'm going to be working on this hopefully over my Christmas time because I took some days off. So let's see what the drills look like. Came in a boot. So here's, well, there were baggies in their thing, but they gave a single placer, some wax, some baggies, a white tray, tweezers, and this looks like a 9-placer. Oh, here's the inventory sheet. Maybe I should have gotten the drills out first, because then I could have showed you the picture better. But you guys have seen it now. You know what it looks like. I'm just not used to inventory sheets. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. So yeah, it has an inventory sheet that I'll be able to run through my sticker maker. And because it's that chalkboard, it has a lot of like lavenders and blacks and gray tones. It's got a few of those gray greens, but mostly it's purple. Like those lavender purples, you know, similar. Ooh, where are you? Something like that. I can't, there's 3 little dots that are supposed to be my video or my camera. And when I point it at those dots, I'm actually the opposite direction. So I have no idea what's going on. This new phone is driving me crazy and my husband keeps rolling his eyes. So, but I just want to thank you guys so much. Thank you everybody who participated in the Secret Santa. Thank you for lifting our spirits. We love you, and thank you to personally to my Secret Santa. You are amazing. So this is my thank you video, since I can't send you a thank you card because I would love to do that. But anyway, maybe a video is better. So until next time, guys, I love you. Take care. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, subscribe down below. Take care. Love you. Be blessed. Bye-bye.